Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois, and today I'm standing in front of the all-new 2019 Chevy Equinox Premier. Apple Chevy is offering over $2,500 in savings off MSRP towards this all-wheel drive vehicle. Customers may also earn an additional $1,000 off if they choose to finance through GM Financial. This 9-speed automatic comes with a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, our custom black Chevy decals, back tinted windows, and 19-inch aluminum wheels. Now, when we get in this vehicle, you can see that we do have our Bose premium audio system, jet black leather seating with a tan lining throughout the entire vehicle, a moonroof, and when it comes to the front of the vehicle, we do have our brand new Chevy MyLink radio, heated and cooling seating, a spot to charge your phone, a heated steering wheel, and even your basic cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.